Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change backward and forward tilt action on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and click on your mouse in the iCUE. Here, we're going to go to gestures, and in the gestures, make sure that your forward tilt and backward tilt is set up. So I'll choose 10 and 10. This is my setting. If you want to check the forward and backward tilt, we're going to click on a plus in the key assignments. I'll choose keyboard, so I'll choose A, and I'll choose front tilt forward, and I also will choose keyboard and back tilt to type in S. So now whenever I go to search something, if I move up and down, it should show up as the let's see, in the A and S. So let's check it out. Let's go over to search and let's check it out. So A, S, A, S, A, S. So it works just fine. And as you guys can see, we can just move it like this and it works perfectly fine. So that's how you guys can change the tilt action. Of course, you can go for multiple things like language keys, mouse, keystroke, text, media. You can also change profiles on your app. Here we have voice changer. You can hear yourself and etc. Also soundboard. And that's how you guys can do it. So I chose keyboard, but you can choose anything else. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.